Welcome to Perceivant in your Bearface courseware. We want you to be successful while using our courseware, and so we've made the following video to walk you through the basics.
Opening the Bearface Learning courseware lands you on the dashboard, where you can view all and any classes that you are currently enrolled in. For this video, we are showing the Well 100 online course, but other courses may be provided at your school. Before we dive in, you will notice an account profile in the top left. Teachers will likely assign the completion of this section early in the academic year to help them better learn the students. Here, you will set your notification preferences. We'll move into the Well 100 course, which brings us to the home page of the Courses tab. Here you'll see at a glance a number of important items that you will encounter this year. At the top of the screen is an area for your teacher to send out important announcements. They may also use the Inbox tab for integrated messaging or choose an alternative form of communication. On the right side of the screen, you'll notice a to-do list, which provides direct links to assignments due within the next 7 days. The Coming Up section highlights key events noted on the course calendar, which has its own tab on the far left. Modules make up the bulk of the course material and milestones. They are designed to guide you through the semester with tasks, surveys, videos, downloadable files, and assignments. You'll notice that the first module in this example deals with paying for the course. Each task in any module will have 6 components: a title to describe the task, an icon to show what kind of task it is, a due date if applicable, a point total, a deliverable description, and a circle on the right side. If empty, the task is not completed. A green check mark indicates the task is finished, while a red circle with a white line means the assignment is late and no longer able to be completed. Grayed out modules or tasks require a prerequisite before they can be completed. Some modules have previous modules as prerequisites, while others can be accessed only after a certain date. The grade section shows you information and point totals on previous and upcoming assessments. The very bottom of the grades page shows the point total and current percentage of the course as a whole, and also the individual assignment categories. Each course will come with a syllabus that further explains the details of that specific course and instructor. Not all instructors will handle the courses the same way, so be sure to read the syllabus and ask the instructor questions should any arise. Most assessment types are auto-graded, but some, like discussions, require individualized grading, which may take instructors time to complete. Some self-assessments require a new window to be opened to complete. If these windows do not open, a pop-up blocker may be inhibiting them. Be sure to enable pop-ups for this site if that issue arises. If you have any further issues with the software, click the red help icon in the bottom corner of the screen. The average response time is 2 hours. The bulk of the online learning for this course is handled through guided learning chapters. Each guided learning chapter has a table of contents, a progress bar, sections of reading, and short quizzes to assess reading comprehension. The chapters are designed to help you better learn the material, study for the quizzes, and are often worth points to help ensure you complete them. In the upper right corner will show you the time spent in each section and the quiz question scores. Your teacher can also access this information to help assess your study habits and potential areas of improvement. For the convenience of mobile studying, Perceivant offers BearTracks, a mobile application for iOS and Android. The app offers all the features of the Bearface desktop courseware.